Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on logging on to Dashboard. First, we will type WASD into our address bar, wasd.org that is. That will take us to the Williamsport Area School District homepage. On the top right corner here, you see the quick links. You'll click that, and this menu will pop up. You'll click on Dashboard here, and that will bring up a window where we can sign into Dashboard. You'll sign in using the child student ID and lunch code in this area. That is different than this format for teachers. So for students, you'll use the graduation year, so the 2 digits of your graduation year, and then the first 3 letters of your last name, first 3 letters of your first name. And you may type at wasd.org, but you do not have to. You will put in your student ID or your lunch code in the password box and sign in. Now I'm just going to warn you, my dashboard looks different because I'm a teacher. So the options here are different than they would be for a student, but you'll find many of these options also on your dashboard. Some particularly that I would like to point out are the Zoom link, the IXL link. You may use Study Island, and there'll be a variety of others depending on your grade level and exactly what you need to log into. One of the very important ones is going to be your Office. So there is this icon for Office. Some of you may also have an Outlook icon. I'm just going to click the Office one. In Office, we can click on that, and that should take you to the Microsoft Office 365 home page. Now there's a lot of options here. 2 of the main ones that you'll want to note are the Outlook and the Teams. Some of your teachers may use Teams, some of them may not, but it is available for you and your teachers. But to get to your email, choose Outlook, and you'll go there. I'm not going to show mine just because I don't want to show you emails, but that is the way to get to Outlook. Another app that a lot of you may use, especially the middle school and high schoolers, would be the Edgenuity app. That will have this same kind of logo. Yours will say student, I believe it is, but it will look very similar to that.